Welcome to Microsoft Mechanics. In the next few minutes, we'll give you an inside look at the new Surface Hub 2S 85-inch. Surface Hub 2S 85-inch is the largest device in the Surface family. It combines state-of-the-art hardware with the best-of-breed Microsoft 365 productivity and meeting experiences, and is designed to enable stronger person-to-person and team connection, bringing in-person and virtual meeting participants together in one seamless experience. Also notable is its modular design with removable camera and compute module. More on that in a moment. Let's start with the experience. Surface Hubs run Windows Team Edition, which is purpose-built, allowing you to just walk up and use it as a shared device without the need to authenticate. It comes preloaded with your favorite Office and Microsoft 365 apps. You can now install the new Microsoft Edge, a fast, compatible, private, and secure browser. And with the Microsoft Store, device administrators can easily add apps certified for Surface Hub. It's ideal for team workspaces and conference rooms. The Surface Hub is nearly 2 meters or 6 feet 5 inches wide. And you can join meetings instantly from Surface Hub or even using your own personal device with Proximity Join. As the camera and integrated audio initiates, and incoming video from participants is received, it provides an immersive experience that gives attendees joining both in the room and remotely the sense that they are together in one place, whether collaborating in a digital whiteboard or working together on content. And once the meeting is ended, all user data is wiped from the device, ready for the next session. Additionally, for larger spaces, you can combine Surface Hubs together to present participants on one hub and content on the other as a coordinated meeting. One or more Surface Hubs equally can work in unison with your existing Microsoft Teams rooms. Additionally, to meet the requirements of your space, camera, speaker, and microphone coverage can be expanded with certified compatible AV accessories. So let's take a closer look at the design of the device itself. First, you'll notice the same aesthetic detail you've come to expect from the Surface portfolio, at a truly massive scale. Its casing uses precision machined aluminum with a platinum-colored mineral composite resin coating. It's more streamlined. We've eliminated the wings and reduced the bezels by 45%. It has more screen real estate than the original 84-inch Surface Hub, measuring 85 inches diagonally, and we reduced the weight by 30%, or nearly 100 pounds. Its Pixel Sense display is factory color calibrated and has a native 4K resolution with anti-glare. It supports up to 20 simultaneous touch points and offers a fluid multi-pen inking experience, whether you're using it with one Surface Hub 2 pen or collaborating simultaneously with two. And you can optionally use your personal Surface Slim pen, so there's no need to share. Moving around the outside of the device, you'll find USB ports on the left, top, and right sides. Then at the top of the device, an integrated 8-port full-band microphone array with beamforming accurately captures audio from people speaking in front of the device. Sound is distributed using a pair of two-way front-facing super wideband stereo speakers and a discrete bass module designed to faithfully reproduce the human voice. We designed the Surface Hub 2S with modularity in mind. The detachable camera is a direct reflection of its modular design. It captures 4K video at a 90-degree horizontal field of view. And if preferred, you can swap out the camera with a partner-certified peripheral. You can learn more at aka.ms/certified peripherals. Now at the back of the Surface Hub 2S is where you'll find the Technician Removable Compute Module with a comprehensive array of ports, including USB-A and USB-C supporting DisplayPort input, Gigabit Ethernet, HDMI input, and Mini DisplayPort output. The Compute Module contains a quad-core Intel Core i5 processor with integrated graphics, 8 GB of RAM, and a 128 GB NVMe SSD. Wireless capabilities include Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.0, and Miracast display support. Now, let's look at placing Surface Hub 2S in your space. An optional steel case Roam floating wall mount can be used to mount the Surface Hub 2S 85-inch to your wall without the need for specialized equipment. And a matching freestanding floor-supported wall mount from Steelcase can be used to carry the weight of the device. Then, for easy movement of the Surface Hub from space to space, you can use the optional matching Steelcase Roam mobile stand. We've even made transportation of the device into your room easier. The packaging of the Surface Hub 2S 85-inch has been completely redesigned, with a wheeled pallet that fits into most modern elevators. Moving on to manageability. To support deployment and management at scale, Surface Hub 2S is managed in the same way as all Surface Hubs using Surface Enterprise Management Mode, or SEMM, along with Microsoft Endpoint Manager. Compared to previous versions of Surface Hub, there are also new device policies for more granular management with Microsoft Endpoint Manager or your preferred MDM solution. Surface Hub offers full support for organizations using Azure Active Directory to manage their devices with single sign-on, conditional access, and more flexible admin role support. It also allows for secure passwordless sign-on, which works with Azure Active Directory integration. You can use the Microsoft Authenticator app to complete sign-in. And once authenticated, you'll see your personalized calendar and most recent Microsoft 365 stored documents. Moving on to security. All Surface Hubs running Windows 10 Team Edition incorporate silicon-level protections with a discrete TPM 2.0 chip and secure boot to a fully locked-down operating system that only allows certified drivers and Windows Store apps to run. The Windows 10 Team OS blocks all drivers except validated inbox drivers and prevents running Win32 apps, using built-in system-level policies based on AppLocker to prevent malicious code execution. So that was a quick tour of the new Surface Hub 2S 85-inch. One more thing to mention. We are also working toward making Surface Hub a complimentary large-screen, multi-purpose canvas for your own personal workspace. Starting with the 50-inch, installing Windows 10 Pro or Enterprise gives you the flexibility to customize Surface Hub with your favorite Win32 apps. And exclusive to Windows 10 Pro and Enterprise, you can use the Surface Hub 2 fingerprint reader for secure multi-factor biometric sign-on with Windows Hello. We hope you enjoyed this overview. Please check out surface.com for availability and more information. And thanks for watching.